Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan, this is Driven Daily. Today guys, I thought I'd do a little video on the tazer. I'm gonna explain how to question about does my tazer increase throttle response. So I'm gonna answer that question in the video, but I already answered it for him in the comments. So just for the rest of you guys, if you guys are wondering, does increase throttle response, I'm gonna let you guys know in the video. But first, I gotta go hit the gym before I start the video and pick up some protein and all that, and then we'll get straight into the video. So talk to you guys in a sec. Before we start, we gotta get that cold start in from inside the car. Roll down my back window, so hopefully it's a good sound. Oh yeah. I don't know what it is, but when I roll down the back window, I can really hear it rather than just rolling down my front window. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go get it. Talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we got the taser here, so this is what it looks like if y'all don't know, and it just goes in your OBD port right down in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this thing in, and we'll get to discussing if it increases throttle response. So keep in mind guys, don't leave that thing plugged in. It will drain the battery in the charger. I've had it plugged in before and I came back and it had a dead battery, so watch out for that. So put it in run mode, and I'm gonna need probably 2 hands for this. Into the audio first, left arrow key, cancel. There we go. Just keep hitting cancel as you go through. Performance, shows the tire pressure, radio, lighting, comfort, and that's the full reboot. Now guys, this does not increase throttle response whatsoever. Basically unlocks track mode, clears codes, lets you have light show and stuff like that. So I can't remember what button it was to click on sport, so this is all the stuff I have on to unlock my track mode. So just a heads up on that. I don't remember how to pretty much get out of that. There we go. So, drive trans, shift light. So I can turn on shift light if I want, which is cool. Eco mode, throws me back into that stuff. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Doesn't increase any throttle response, gives you any power, just unlocks some certain features that are hidden in the charger. Keep in mind this taser will get rid of your the B symbol from the center console there, but there's an option to switch to the Hellcat one, different ones. So I just clicked on the Scat Pack one to see if I can reboot it and get it back into the system. So I'm just turning off everything shut off, so I'm just going to wait till the computer kind of resets a little bit, and then I will turn it back on and see if we have the Scat Pack pop up on the screen. Hopefully we do. I've been trying so hard to get it, but so far it's just popped up the charger, so let's see if it works. And then after this, I'm going to go take a drive. Gonna go to a spot where I can take some pictures of the charger for the Instagram. So if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram, don't forget to click the link below in the description. It is FatScat392. right below. Go into Instagram, just go type it in the search menu, and you will find me in all my pictures I take of the Dodge Charger, stuff like that. And yeah, so. And if there's any Instagram followers, just click the link for this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Very important, so you guys get to see the video first. I usually post a link in Instagram couple hours, usually in the afternoon, because I post my videos at 7 a.m. in the morning. So if you guys want to see my videos first, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video, and show some love, show some support. I appreciate all you guys that are showing the love and support already. We just hit 50 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you guys so much. It's a huge milestone for me. I've never hit that high subscribers ever before in all my other YouTube channels. Keep in mind, I do have a gaming channel. I might start streaming again. I'm not too sure yet. So if you guys want to see that kind of stuff, you guys can head over to my YouTube channel. It's called Mr. Savage. Mr. Savage Killer, actually. So if you guys are into video games, you guys can check that out. I will put the link in description for that YouTube channel as well, if you guys want to go check it out. I don't stream too often, but I might start. So if you guys want to see it, me streaming in the wintertime, let me know, and I will do it for you guys on my gaming channel. Not on here, because it's strictly the car channel. So anyhow, let's start the Charger, and we'll see if the B is in the center console. I hope. All right, let's start her up. And it is not. I don't know why. I don't get it. I have its splash screen set to that, but it just doesn't work, I guess. About $78 for about 47 liters. She's expensive. Gotta pay to play. Alright guys, so my camera's about to die, so hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video I did. This is the best place I found so far with the leaves. They were a little more colorful before, but they're kind of dead, so I took a couple good photos. Hopefully they turn out well, and I'm gonna post them on my Instagram. So like I said, Instagram is below. FastCat392. If you guys want to see the fall shots I just took, go ahead and check it out. Yeah, I'll be probably posting them pretty soon. And yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. So like I said, the Tazer does not increase throttle response whatsoever, just unlocks hidden features that the Scat Pack has built inside, that the SRT has unlocked, but you don't get it for the Scat Pack, so you can use the Tazer to pretty much unlock all those features like track mode and stuff like that. And so anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just don't forget to smash the like button if you guys enjoyed it. Comment below, share with all your friends, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I want to try to get to 100 subs, hopefully. So we made it to 50, so that's a milestone in itself. So thanks so much, guys.